My dear friends, I am Seduram from Nivedita Academy. Today let us discuss about phrase and clause. You know what's a phrase? What's the difference between phrase and clause? You know? Can you tell me? Yeah. I will tell you some of the phrases. On the table, over the sky, across the river, my father and I, in spite of my hard work, due to my success in the examination. When you listen to these words, what do you understand? Are they group of words? Yes. These phrases are group of words. Do you think this group of words give meaning? Yes. It has its own meaning. Do you find any subject or predicate there? Subject or verb like that? That kind of structure is there in that group? Yeah. There is no subject, no predicate. That's a phrase. A phrase is a group of words which has its own meaning but has no subject and no predicate. That's a phrase. In this structure, I tell you, read these sentences. Read this. I'm a teacher. He is poor. They are away. He went to school. Swimming is an exercise. To err is a human. In this structure, how do you find difference from the previous one? This also group of words. Do they give meaning? Yes. It gives meaning. I'm a teacher. Yes. The meaning is there. Do you find any subject and a verb like that? Yes. I is a subject. I'm a teacher. Am is a verb. And along with the verb there is a phrase. There's a noun phrase is there. So we say it is a predicate. A subject and a predicate. So we say it is a clause. A clause is also a group of words which gives meaning and has a subject and predicate. In the first clause you say I is a subject, am a teacher is a predicate, am is a verb, a teacher is a noun phrase is there. He is poor. He is a subject, is poor is a predicate. Is a verb, poor is adjective. You know, adjective is a word which qualifies a noun. Is a poor boy. Instead of that we say he is poor. They are away. Away is a word which qualifies a verb. It says about the place, time, reason, manner, purpose, condition, concession, comparison. All these things are shown by the adverb. So we have away. They are away. Are is a verb. Away is a adverb. So it is this also a clause. He went to school. Went to school is a predicate. It has a verb. To school. We can say it is a predicate. It is a adverb also. In other words, we can say to is a preposition. We can say prepositional phrase also. So in this clause we have he is a subject. Went is a verb. And apart from that, along with the verb, there is another one phrase called to school. So we have went to school is a predicate. Swimming is an exercise. Swimming is a noun phrase. Is a noun actually. Then this swimming is a word derived from the verb. We can say it is a gerund. Gerund is a verbal noun. We can say it's a verbal noun. Swimming is an exercise, a verbal noun. It's a noun. Is an exercise. It is a predicate. Is a verb. An exercise is a noun phrase. To err is a human. To err. Err means the verbal form of error. Error. Making error is a human. So we can say to err is a human. So to is an infinitive verb. To err is an infinitive verb. That also can be used as a subject here. Is a human. Is a verb. Human is a noun phrase. So it is a predicate. Is a human is a predicate. So we have a subject and predicate. That's why we say it is a class. A phrase has no subject predicate, and a class has a subject and predicate. It is a subject and predicate. That's the difference. Phrase and class. Okay. Thank you very much.